Hello there, let's build something together. I had an idea for an angel for a music video. I generated the mesh, the basic mesh with the AI, with Tripo or Yunyuan 3D that I tried with. But the resolution is way too high in polygon. So I tried to just remake the remesh it with fewer, lower polygon. But with Yunyuan, it's way too long to generate a shorter version. With Meshi AI, it's kind of great, Meshi 6, but the resolution of the low poly mesh, the quads are great, the vertices goes to like doing some animation or a game ready asset, but in this case, I don't like the resolution of it. It's kind of a mess, and the connection between different parts like the wing and the skirt and the body, the leg and all that, the arms with the back wing, it's kind of weird and I don't like the connection, so yeah. The high poly look great, very great, but for what I want to do with it, it's not that great. If you want a 3D print or something like that, the AI generative are very good. But in my situation, I'm gonna use it like a reference. I have to learn how to work with the AI, so I'm gonna do something with it, and I'm gonna keep it and import it in my project as a reference. I've tried to work with the remeshing and decimation to lower the resolution to get a low poly version, but it's not exactly how I would like it. Can lower the amount of the vertices a lot, but the final render is not exactly that I don't really like. I don't really want it, so yeah. Try to get the fewer face as possible without destroy the mesh. There we can see with the remesh modifier, you can keep a good amount of quads. The quads look good, but it's way too much for animation.
Bruh.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
So yeah, I'm gonna try to start with another mesh that we can get totally free in Blender Market Store. Rain asset, I don't remember exactly. A woman and a male body mesh, basic, with a good topology. So I'm gonna start with that just to get ahead with something. can generate body, human physique with different hat on, or there's a lot of solution on Gumroad or Free3D, or even the AI could do it very well if you know how to do it. But
emotional damage.
I try to keep it a free solution for everybody who can follow it and give idea. It's a solution to start way ahead without start with the basic cube. With a little sculpting, I try to increase the form to improve the physique the way that I want it without adding or subtracting any vertices. Keep the basic mesh as it is, but just form it with sculpting tool. Yeah. For the sculpting, I use a Weon tablet. It's the 22 Pro. The H1060p by Inspiroid. It's an old one, but very good. Very good. I can put a link in the description if you'd like to, from Amazon. It's a great tool if you want to work with it. Because if you try to sculpt with the mouse, it could be very annoying. Every detail, as you like, it's not that fast or that convenient. It's not intuitive, like, you know. With the great tool, you can do great things. So yeah, let's move on and try to work on it.